I just want to give her a hug, actually, just put my arms around her and tell her everything's going to be okay.
Today, a Lumberton father, Kevin Swearingen, was able to do just that. Their reunion was long awaited, but it was not the joyous occasion that the family had wanted.
Yeah, Jordan, today Kevin and his wife Jana had to make a really tough decision as their daughter battles COVID-19. Jordan James has been following their story. He joins us tonight.
For Kevin Swearingen, as every minute on the clock goes by, desperation builds for him, not knowing if he will be able to be by his daughter Charlie's bedside for what could be his final goodbye.
And I can't imagine what she's thinking, my daughter or my wife.
A few pictures and phone calls have been the only thing to keep Kevin Swearingen going as his daughter fights for her life in the hospital. He says now that just isn't enough.
You put yourself in somebody else's shoes just for a few minutes and understand the pain and anguish they're feeling in a situation like this. It'll definitely change your mind.
Texas Children's Hospital has a single visitor policy for patients who test positive for COVID-19. Swearingen's wife has been by their daughter's side since September 22nd. Doctors say while battling COVID-19, the 16-year-old is also living with a brain disease. Right now, the family has to decide whether to keep their oldest daughter on life support.
It's a decision no father ever wants to make, I can promise you that. And this is what I was worried about from the beginning, not being able to be here to see what was going on to lead up to this decision.
Since our story aired, Swearingen has received a lot of support, which likely helped him to reunite with his daughter Monday evening. Among the many advocates has been State Representative James White.
At this time, when we have family members that are struggling with health conditions in hospitals, this is the time for families to unite, come together, and to strengthen each other.
Swearingen's story is yet another reminder of the impact the pandemic has had on families across the country.
I wouldn't want anybody to go through what I've gone through or my wife's going through this entire situation. It has been gut-wrenching and just unbearable at times.
As of news time, the Swearingens have not made a determination about the future of their daughter. A Texas Children's Hospital spokesperson tells me that tomorrow they will decide whether to modify or extend their visitation policy. Reporting here from Beaumont, Jordan James, 12 News.